Welcome to the Psychology and Physical Training channel. Hey everyone! Whether you're in high school, college, or just taking courses to level up your skills, we all want to achieve success as students, right? Today, I'm going to give you the ultimate guide on how to do just that. From study habits to time management, we're covering everything you need to know to crush it academically and beyond. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's talk about what success actually means for you. Is it getting straight A's? Maybe it's mastering a particular subject, or it could be balancing your studies with extracurriculars and a social life. Success looks different for everyone, so it's important to define your goals. Take a moment to think about what success means to you as a student. Write down specific, achievable goals, whether it's acing a class, improving your study habits, or finding balance between school and life. Once you know what you're aiming for, it becomes much easier to plan and stay motivated. Now, let's talk about one of the most crucial skills for student success: time management. With deadlines, assignments, and exams all coming at you, it can feel overwhelming. But with the right time management strategies, you can stay organized and on top of your workload. Here are 3 time management tips that will change the game for you. Create a schedule. Get a planner or use a digital calendar to map out your daily and weekly tasks. Break down your assignments into smaller chunks so that you're not cramming at the last minute. Use time blocking. Time blocking is a great way to stay focused. Dedicate specific blocks of time for studying, breaks, and even fun activities. During these blocks, try to eliminate distractions. Turn off notifications and put your phone away. Prioritize tasks. Not all tasks are equally important. Use the Eisenhower matrix or a simple priority system to focus on what needs to be done first. That way, you're tackling the most critical tasks before moving on to smaller ones. Part 3. Develop strong study habits. Now let's get into the core of your success, your study habits. How you study can make or break your performance as a student, so it's important to develop habits that work for you. Here are 5 study tips that will help you retain information better and perform well on exams. Instead of just passively reading through your notes, engage with the material. Use techniques like summarizing what you've learned, asking yourself questions, or teaching the material to someone else. This technique is great for boosting focus and productivity. Study for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. After 4 sessions, take a longer break. If you're a visual learner, try mind mapping. It's a great way to organize information and see how different concepts are connected. Don't just write down everything the teacher says. Focus on the main points and ideas. Use shorthand, bullet points, or diagrams to make your notes more digestible. One of the best ways to study is through practice retrieval. Test yourself on the material rather than just rereading your notes. This strengthens your memory and prepares you for exams. Part 4. Stay motivated and avoid burnout. Success isn't just about studying hard, it's also about staying motivated and avoiding burnout. Balancing school with other aspects of your life can be tough, but it's totally doable with the right mindset. Here's how to stay motivated and maintain that balance. Instead of focusing on big long-term goals, break them down into smaller milestones. Every time you hit one, it'll give you a boost of motivation. Give yourself a little reward for completing tasks. It could be a snack, a break to watch your favorite show, or hanging out with friends. Positive reinforcement works wonders. Getting enough sleep, eating well, and exercising regularly are just as important as studying. If you're not taking care of your physical and mental health, it's going to affect your academic performance. Part 5. Ask for help when you need it. One thing a lot of students forget is that it's okay to ask for help. Whether you're stuck on a concept or struggling with time management, there are always resources available. Here's how you can get the support you need. Don't hesitate to reach out to your teachers if you need clarification. They're there to help. Sometimes, working with your classmates can make all the difference. Join or create a study group where you can discuss difficult topics and share resources. If you're really struggling, look into tutoring options at your school or use online resources like Khan Academy or Coursera. Outro. And there you have it. Everything you need to know to achieve success as a student. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, But with consistency, time management, and the right study habits, you're going to get there. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more educational content. And let me know in the comments below, what's your biggest challenge as a student and how are you overcoming it? I'd love to hear from you. And if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and follow the Psychology and Physical Training channel. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your studies. You've got this.